अस्सलामुअलैकुम टू ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स। कैसे हैं आप? सब ठीक ठाक हैं। आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक जो है हमारे पास CS609 मिड टर्म एग्ज़ाम प्रिपरेशन फ़ाइल, ठीक है। यानी कि CS609 के हमने मिड टर्म के एग्ज़ाम्स की प्रिपरेशन करनी है। और यहाँ पे हमारे पास सिलेबस है फर्स्ट 6 वीक्स, ठीक है। तो इससे पहले यहाँ पे मैंने अपने चैनल पे जो है पूरी प्लेलिस्ट इसमें मैंने बना दी है, ठीक है। वीक 1 2 3 4 ये सारे वीक मैंने यहाँ पे अपने चैनल पे अपलोड कर दिए हैं। तो अगर आपने नहीं देखे तो ये वीक वाइज यहाँ पे जो है ना आपको MCQs और इसमें काफ़ी सारा चीज़ें सीखने को मिल जाएंगी, ठीक है। तो ये आपने लाजमी यहाँ से जो है देखना है। उसके बाद हम चलते हैं अपने फाइल पे। तो पेपर पैटर्न यहाँ पे जो है हमारे पास चेंज हो गया है, ठीक है। पहले यहाँ पे जो है चॉइसेस थी, लेकिन अब जो है वो चॉइसेस ख़त्म हो गई हैं, ठीक है। तो MCQs कितने 14 मार्क्स है। शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन जो है 2 होंगे 6 मार्क्स के, यानी कि 3 नंबर का एक। लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन 2 होंगे 10 मार्क्स के, यानी 5 नंबर का एक। टोटल ये बनते हैं हमारे पास 30 मार्क्स, और ये पासिंग मार्क्स कितने बनते हैं 6, ठीक है। यानी कि 6 नंबर अगर आपने ले लिए 30 में से तो समझो पास हो गए, यानी कि फाइनल टर्म की डेट शीट आप बना सकते हैं। और फिर जितने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नंबर होंगे फिर उतने ज़्यादा आपका अच्छा GPA बनता जाएगा। टाइम कितना होगा 50 मिनट्स। तो ये जो है पेपर पैटर्न है। तो हम चलते हैं इसमें। हमारे पास ना CS609 में हमारे पास हर जो वो होते थे ना, यानी कि सब्जेक्ट हर यानी कि जो लेक्चर होते थे उनके साथ क्विज़ेस भी आते थे। तो वो सारे क्विज़ेस भी इसके अंदर मैंने शामिल कर दिए, और क्विज़ 1 क्विज़ 2 वो भी इसके अंदर मैंने इसी फाइल के अंदर डाल दिए, ठीक है। तो चलिए शुरू कर लेते हैं। फर्स्ट हमारे पास सवाल है, इफ़ इनवैलिड फाइल हैंडल इज पास्ड एज अ पैरामीटर टू द क्लोज फाइल API देन इट विल रिटर्न डैश। तो क्या हो जाएगा? फॉल्स वैल्यू। कैट फाइल फंक्शन टेक डैश पैरामीटर 3 पैरामीटर। वट इज़ द पाथ नेम सेपरेटर इन विंडोज़? तो होता है बैकस्लैश, ठीक है। रोमन एम्पायर यूज डैश एल्गोरिथम टू इनक्रिप्ट सीक्रेट कन्वर्सेशन। तो होता है सीजर साइफर। F read function is available in dash library stdio.h. What is the purpose of different API function variants in Windows to support various character encodings? One of the causes of Windows dominance in PCs market is its dash best marketing, which file system is commonly used for floppy disks and memory cards. तो होता है FAT यानी FAT। API से क्या बनता है? एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्रामिंग इंटरफेस। हैश इंक्लूड IO.h is used for dash input output operation. Every log file X function that is successful must be followed by a call to dash unlock file X, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास दी नंबर ऑफ आर्गूमेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड फॉर फाइंड क्लोज API इज -1। डैश कन्वीनियंट फंक्शन कन्वर्ट्स फाइल टाइम इनटू सिस्टम टाइम। तो फाइल टाइम टू सिस्टम टाइम, ठीक है। सवाल के अंदर लिखा हुआ है एच की लोकल मशीन स्टोर्स डैश इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द मशीन। तो लॉजिकल। व्हाट इज द रिटर्न टाइप ऑफ फाइंड फर्स्ट फाइल? तो होता है हैंडल। रिटर्न टाइप ऑफ सेट फाइल पॉइंटर एक्सिस वो होता है बूल। The value of dash determines the actions that follow. Filter expression in the record structure data type of num non-empty records is dash dworld. Reg create key x has dash parameters 7 parameters. To reduce the file size we use dash Windows API to set end of file x. To provide an interface between the user and computer, a system is required which is called dash operating system. Which of the following tasks is not performed by the operating system? तो होता है hardware repairing. Windows operating system provides a naming scheme for the resources which allows maximum dash character type characters only to 255. Windows operating system allows us to run a huge process in a small memory space due to virtual memory management. 25 सवाल है, a process -1 in Windows operating system can access the memory space of process -2 if dash process -1 has privilege to access memory space of other processes. Which variant of Windows is specialized for smaller computers such as phones and laptops? तो होता है Windows CE. Which operating system was offered by Microsoft that was used prior to Windows? तो होता है DOS. Which of the following themes is not considered while introducing the new variant of Windows? होता है increasing cost. In those cases, which of the following desktop operating systems was widely used in the world? Market होता है Windows. Which statement is not correct about the Windows operating system? It can only be used in desktop systems. Using dash commands can be shown to the system through icons, buttons, shortcuts, sound, etc. तो होता है GUI graphical user interface. A socket on endpoint is required only if two processes communicate over a network. A uniform extension in software components is possible in Dash software vendor specific. Example of a closed source software is Dash Windows OS. Choose the major drawback of a closed source software, neither affordable, customizable, nor freely available for download. A software or application can access any Windows object through API only. In Windows, what is the basic unit of execution? So the thread. Windows function names are dashed long and descriptive. What is a handle in Windows? A kernel object identifier. What is an important consideration when working with Windows functions that support 64-bit addresses, ensuring compatibility with Win32 variants? What is a key difference between 32-bit and 64-bit executable variants in Windows? The support for larger address spaces. Windows operating system keeps dash 2 variants of each API. Windows supports both the 32 and 64-bit source code by dash, keeping separate APIs for 32 and 64-bit code. fopen function is available in dash library stdio.h, which can statement is incorrect about the 32-bit source code. तो ये रन होता है on 64-bit hardware and use its all features. What the following C statement represents file static PTR to pointer to a file structure. Open file objects using C library functions are identified by dash pointer to a file structure. A successful read using fread function in C is indicated by a dash return value to non-negative. fopen function in C returns dash if the file is not successfully opened. So the null value. Which of the following library contains all Windows function definitions and data types to windows.h? How the end of a file is detected in Windows of file operations by a 0-byte count. All the handles will be closed automatically by Windows when a process exists. Which data type is commonly used to identify Windows objects with a handle? How the end of a file is detected in Windows file operations to by a 0-byte count. The return type of read file to bool. Which of the following is return type? A copy file convenience function to bool. Copy file convenience function has 3 parameters. Return type of malloc function in C can be pointer to the allocated space or null. LPWSTR से क्या मतलब है? Long pointer to wide string. Keeping in view the support for huge file size, which file system is more favorable to NTFS new technology file system? Which feature of NTFS is related to data security to the encryption? Which option is not related to the NT file system? ऑप्शन यहाँ पे क्या है? कंप्रेशन, फॉल्ट टॉलरेंस, इनक्रिप्शन, फाइल साइज लिमिटेशन. तो फाइल साइज लिमिटेशन इसका करेक्ट आंसर है. ठीक है, यानी कि ये लिखा हुआ है नॉट रिलेटेड. कौन सा इसके रिलेट नहीं है? तो बाकी सारे जो है इसके रिलेटेड हैं. ठीक है, ये वाला इसके रिलेटेड नहीं है. विच फाइल सिस्टम इज माइक्रोसॉफ्ट प्राइमरी फुल फंक्शनैलिटी फाइल सिस्टम? द NTFS. विच ड्राइव्स आर नॉर्मली डेजिग्नेटेड एज ए डिस्क्रीट ड्राइव्स? तो A और B. ठीक है, A:B:. What is the UNC format for specifying a path on a network file server? So /server name share name. What does a single period represent as a directory name? So the current directory. In Windows file system, the extension and file name is separated by dot. In the Windows file system, which symbol can be used as a path separator? Both forward and backslash. In the create file function, which statement is true about open existing attribute? If the file does not exist, so it will fail to open the file. Create file API has 7 parameters. In the create file function, if the same name file already exists, then the attribute create always is used to overwrite an existing file. ठीक है, Windows API dash is used to read data from a file and store it in a buffer. तो read file. The return type of write file function is dash bool. The Windows API dash is used to write data from a buffer and store it in a file. तो ये हो जाएगा write file. Close file में कितने पैरामीटर होते हैं? 1. Which handles should not be closed by programs before terminating in Windows? Standard device handles. In Unix, what does the open function return? File descriptor. Which library in C provides functions using file objects connected to streams? तो stdio.h. Which set of data types does Windows provide for generic code that works with both ASCII and Unicode to teach data types? Which type of C library functions should be used in Windows programming to handle generic code to generic C library functions? printf is and dash C library function generic. In Unicode format, dash number of characters can be encoded to the power 16. Latest versions of Windows supports dash standard, both ASCII and Unicode. All generic data types are included in dash header files or tchar.h. TCS is dash function to compare these strings are generic. Which one is the correct definition of generic main function? To int t main, int arg clp tstr argv. Text out w is a 32-bit API and it supports Unicode standard. 8-bit only strategy involves ignoring Unicode and continuing to use the dash data type char यानी करेक्टर है, ठीक है. टू स्विच बिटवीन 8-bit करेक्टर कोड एंड स्टैंडर्ड यूनिकोड डैश फंक्शंस एंड data types are required to generic. Which strategy is suitable for projects that require backward compatibility with existing 8-bit code, Unicode and 8-bit? Which header file includes all the header files that will be typically required for all subsequent programs? So everything.h. report error function is similar to which C library function? यहाँ पे ऑप्शन हमारे पास एरर रेट ऑल ऑफ दीज एस एरर सिस्टम पी एरर, तो यहाँ पे ऑल आ जाएगा, ठीक है. सारे तीनों इसमें आ जाएंगे. Which of the following function turns the message number into a meaningful message to format message? In a Windows system, input dash and dash are the three standard I/O devices. Output and error. Get std handle API has one parameter. std output handle contains dash as an environment variable to con out आगे डालर. std input handle macro contains a variable con in dollar which is an dash environment variable. Which of the following function passes the given parameter list? Options. What is the return type of cat file function? Void. Options function takes dash parameter variable. The text that we are going to encrypt is called dash. तो प्लेन इसको डिनोट करते हैं p से. When a text is encrypted, we represent that text by the symbol C in the encryption formula. Dash Empire is considered to be pioneers of encryption as they used basic encryption algorithms to encrypt secret conversation in a war. Roman. Delete file के कितने पैरामीटर होते हैं? 1. Correct syntax of move file function is bool move file lpct ip existing file name lpct str ip new file name. We use move file x to dash the existing file. Our right. Set current directory के कितने पैरामीटर होते हैं? 1. remove directory के 1 पैरामीटर. What is the return type of remove directory function? तो होता है bool. Return type of get current directory function is dworld. Dash value of dw mode parameter of set console mode. Echo characters to the screen as they are read. To enable echo input. Console is the set of dash devices standard input output. What is the return type of set console mode function? तो आता है bool. Console prompt कितने पैरामीटर होते हैं इसके? 4 पैरामीटर. Correct syntax for create console input file is at in create file t coin ins generic read generic write 0 dollar null open always file attribute normal null. Return type of print message function is bool. Get current directory function takes 2 parameter. Which file system supports 64-bit file addresses to NTFS? What is the term used for files larger than 4 GB? तो होती हैं huge files. In fact, 32 base system dash is the maximum allowed size for a single file. तो 2 की पावर 32. Set file pointer में होते हैं 4 parameter. Which of the following value of dw move method parameter of set file pointer move the pointer forward or backward from the current position? तो होता है file current. p long is a dash pointer to a long variable. There are dash components of a large integer, 3 integer. Inside file pointer function distance to move parameter is placed in dash large integer. Inside file pointer function ip new file pointer parameter is placed in dash p large integer. In the left structure u long ptr internal is a dash field reserved field. In the left structure u long ptr internal high is a dash field reserved field. In the our left structure, the data type of offset and offset high is dash d world. Return type of get file size x is dash bool. EOF से बनता है end of file. File size can be obtained using the dash Windows API get file size x. What will be next code statement if the following if statement is true? If set file pointer xh file current ptr null file begin to report error t record access error set pointer for true. व्हाट विल बी नेक्स्ट कोड. नेक्स्ट कोड क्या आएगा? नेक्स्ट कोड ये लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्या व्हाट विल बी नेक्स्ट कोड. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट कोड ये लिखा हुआ है आगे. ड्यूरिंग सर्चिंग फाइल्स फोल्डर्स आर डाटा स्ट्रक्चर डैश इज यूज टू स्टोर द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट अ फाउंड फाइल और डायरेक्टरी. तो विन बट दिस फाइंड डाटा. व्हाट इज रिटर्न टाइप ऑफ फाइंड नेक्स्ट फाइल. जो हमारा था बूल. फाइंड फर्स्ट फाइल का कितने पैरामीटर होते हैं? 2 पैरामीटर होते हैं. The field ft last access time in a Win32 find data structure is used to represent a time when a file was dash time accessed last time accessed dash convenient file convert system time. तो यहाँ पे वही system time to file time. ठीक है, वो ऊपर सवाल में लिखा हुआ है. नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज रिटर्न टाइप ऑफ गेट फाइल टाइम. फंक्शन तो आता है बूल. नेक्स्ट है कंपेयर फाइल API returns dash if both the file times are equal to 0. Get temp file name function has dash parameter 4 parameter. Which of the following parameters of the get temp file name API is used to specify the directory path for the file name. तो IP path name. Which of the following parameters of get temp file name function is the prefix of the temporary name. तो IP prefix string. IP prefix string use only dash characters 8-bit ASCII. Which of the following is the correct argument of option. तो यहाँ पर ऑप्शन हमारे पास है argc TAMC argv और आल. यहाँ पे आल इसके ऑप्शन आएंगे. ठीक है. डैश इज अ वैलिड आर्गूमेंट फॉर सेट फाइल टाइम फंक्शन. तो है नल पी मॉडिफाइड टाइम पी एक्सेस टाइम आल. तो आल आ जाएगा. सेट फाइल टाइम फंक्शन टेक्स अ टोटल ऑफ डैश आर्गूमेंट 4 आर्गूमेंट. इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट यूनिक्स लाइब्रेरी ऑल इनपुट आउटपुट फंक्शंस आर नेम्ड विद डैश प्रीफिक्स underscore. Windows API can access files with dash fseek i64. For file processing, Windows provides a proprietary function called dash fseek 64. File log can be dash or dash read only, read write. The read operation does not conflict with the dash existing shared log. Before encountering a dash log, the read or write operation can complete its request partially to other conflicting log. If process A has a shared log on a file and process B tries to read without a shared log, then the read attempt will dash to other succeed. ठीक है. Unix system stores information in dash directory similar to the registry entry. तो /etc. Information about dash is not present in the registry file. तो power supply. Programmers usually access Windows build numbers through dash Windows API. The registry H key local machine stores dash information about the machine. तो physical dash information is present in the registry H key current config. तो display resolution. The registry H key current user does not contains dash information system fonts. The function reg create key x has dash parameters 9. Dash function enumerates sub key names of an open registry key. तो reg e num key x. The reg open key x function opens a name dash sub key. What is the consequence of an unintended program exception without exception handling? The program immediately terminates. What is the primary purpose of SCH? To handle unintended program exceptions. What can an exception handler in SCH do when an exception occurs? To delete temporary files and perform termination operations. First step in using SCH, determining code blocks to monitor and providing exception handlers. मकसद क्या? try block to encapsulate the code that may throw exceptions. What happens if an exception occurs within a block embedded in the try block? The control is transferred to the exception handler associated with the except clause. When Windows encounters exception, continuous search in SCH, what does it do? Continuous searching for an exception handler in the enclosing block. Purpose of the filter expression in the except to specify the exception handling behavior. In SCH, what does exception execute handler signify? To execute the code in the except block. What is the purpose of the filter expression in the except clause of SCH? So to specify the exception handling behavior, which function can be used to determine the exact exception SCH. So get exception code dash exception code is returned if the process attempts to read or write a virtual address for which it has no access rights. Exception access violation. In SCH, what type of exception is raised when a processor requires data to be aligned on specific boundaries? Exception data type misalignment. A single try block must have a single finally or dash block to accept. ठीक है. Dash function is used within the termination handler to check how the try block is terminated to abnormal termination. The termination handler cannot execute the dash statement, report statement. Next, report exception function have a dash argument, two argument. Second argument of report exception function is dash exception code. The dash exceptions are enabled with the help of control FP function to floating point. Which of the following is the number of parameters taken by control FP to E category is a dash reference variable. If the handler routine parameter is set as dash null and add is true, then the control C signal will be ignored. Unlike signals, an exception applies to dash single thread. Set console control handler takes a dash parameter, two parameter. A program can be terminated by pressing dash from keyboard control plus C. The return type of Win API handler function is dash static bool. Windows checks for a vectored exception handler at the dash at the first place when a vectored exception is set up, followed by unwinding the stack. In the context of vectored exception handling, the non-zero value of first handler parameter shows that the handler being used will be the dash one to execute first. In the context of vectored exception handling, the zero value of first handler parameter shows that the handler being used will be the last one to execute. Identify the advantages provided by memory mapped files, convenience, speed, and memory sharing. Which of the following is a dynamic data structure to tree? In when but this dash of the virtual space is accessible to a process and the remaining space is utilized by the system for other tasks of. Which of the following occurs as a result of excessive page faults, decreased system performance? The translation of a virtual address into a physical address is managed by the operating system. When the required page is not in the memory, then dash occurs page fault. When a fixed size data structure is allocated from a single heap, it reduces fragmentation. A process can have dash heap, many heap. In order to make a program more efficient, dash heaps may be required to several. Which of the following flags allows to execute code from a heap? Heap, create, enable, execute. Dash is an appropriate API to dispose of a heap handle. To heap destroy. The parameter f options in the head heap create API is a combination of dash three flags. When a heap logical structure is created, the memory is dash allocated in the to the program, so not directly. ठीक है. For a non-growable heap, the value of DW bytes in heap memory allocation is 0x7FFF8. Which of the following function enumerates the allocated blocks on heap? So heap walk. Dash is used to determine the size of an allocated block. The heap size. The function heap size returns the size of a block or dash in case of failure 0. Dash is used to deallocate the entire heap. To heap destroy. Dash is the first step to allocate heap in a program. To get heap handle. Which of the following stores the records? To rack heap. The node heap maintains a dash data structure. Sorting is performed in the node heap. ठीक है. तो ये हमारे पास जो है 216 जो है ये सवालात थे. ये सारे जितने भी असेसमेंट्स थी उनके सारे क्विज़ेज़ फर्स्ट 6 वीक्स के और इसके अलावा क्विज़ 1 क्विज़ 2 वो मैंने इसमें शामिल किए हैं. तो ये 216 जो है सवालात बन के थे. उम्मीद है ये इसी में से सवालात आपके काफ़ी सारे कवर हो जाएंगे. तो लाजमी आपने मुझे कमेंट करके बताना है वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी है. वीडियो अगर अच्छी लगी हो तो लाजमी वीडियो को लाइक भी करें. चैनल पर नहीं हो तो लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कर दें. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम आपसे मिलेंगे. तो ठीक है फिर. अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू.